Take a few moments to get comfortable in your space. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. Gently close your eyes and relax your body. I'm now going to invite you on a journey to explore your future, to look at your values and your life's highest commitments. Create some space to begin the visioning process. I'm going to share some questions with you, and I invite you to answer them silently to yourself. What kind of person do you want to be? What values do you want your life to affirm? When you look back at the end of your life, who do you want to have been? We're not talking about your career or what you're going to do with your life. We're talking about your character. When you look back on the other side of your life, what do you want to see? What is most important to you? What kind of person are you becoming? Take a few breaths in and out. Start to crystallize that picture. Now, I want to invite you to keep that vision in your mind and heart and imagine yourself floating through time until you arrive at exactly 1 year from today. Notice what you see around you, what you hear and feel. Where are you? When you look in the mirror at the end of 1 year, what do you see? Who are you? What would you say to your future self? Where are you in terms of your dreams? Are you connected to your hopes and vision? How is your physical health? Your body. How do you feel about your body? What are your relationships like? How much love do you share? How deep is your connection and support? How honest are you? They may or may not have changed at all, but you may be relating to them in a new way. Is it easier for you to handle old problems that used to hook you? Are there new people in your life now who just a year ago you dreamed of having in your life? What affirming things would your new and old friends be saying about you? How open are you to inspiration, to miraculous things unfolding all around you? Where are you with your belief in your own worth and power? How do you see yourself? How courageous are you? What are you committed to? Do you smile freely? Do you feel lighter or heavier? More or less alive? Imagine if this was all true, if everything that you just saw, heard, and felt were guaranteed to come true. How would you be sitting right now? Where would your shoulders be? What kind of facial expression would you have? How would you be breathing? Now, with that clear vision, double that feeling in your body. Pour it on and make it feel good. Connect deeply with your vision, not just to the outcomes and the things you choose to have in your world, but actually connect to the vision of yourself, who you choose to be, how you choose to live, where you choose to put your energy. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Feel free to begin writing out your vision. Writing who you want to be and how you want to partner with your vision.